Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to use Discord. This is basically a beginner's guide. First, I'll show you the basic things. To add someone as a friend, go to Friends, click Add Friend, and enter their username here. A friend can share their username by clicking on their account and copying it from there. You insert the username here and then you can send them a message. So that's how to add friends. Next, once you've added friends, you can send messages, gifts, all that's straightforward. Here you can make a regular voice call. Here you can make a video call or add more people to create a group. Next, you can select a different microphone, adjust mic sensitivity, choose different headphones or speakers, and change playback volume. You can also create your own server. Click Add Server, create your own, and you can invite your friends to join. Click here and here, invite friends, or share the link with people. There. Next, go to Settings. Everything is simple here. Here you can edit your cover, background, name, and login. Here you can edit your email, phone number, change password, delete or disable your account. Here you'll find voice and video options. You can also deeply customize your audio, video settings, and so on. Here you can also change the language. And what else did I want to show? There's also a game overlay that works in games and shows who you're talking to, how many participants are in the conversation, and whether your microphone is detected, plus your general info. There. To block someone, right-click on them and select Block. This will disable their notifications. Here you can also add a note to them, close the chat, or check your relationship to community rules and Discord in the settings. There, this was me. Like, subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.